Prepare to be wowed with the finishes and floor plan in this full brick home near Challenger School. Plantation Shutters, finished on-site hardwoods, 9 feet ceilings and high-end finishes cute. Main level master suite west/luxury bath and fantastic closet. Formal study, dining room and great room west/built-ins and fireplace. Open kitchen west/granite, tile backsplash and stainless steel APPLS. Awesome laundry room. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths plus bonus room. Fantastic storage. Walk out back to acres of privacy, enjoyed on large deck. Enclosed by iron fencing. All this minutes from Redstone, shopping, Greenway and award-winning school district.